Yash. Yash.
Yes?
Do you need water?
No, I don't. Yes?
About grandfather.
Grandfather. Yes. Yes, I'll talk later.
Hey, talk now.
She's sleeping now, Neha.
Do you want to say something?
Hey. You're awake, dear?
Yes.
Alright.
Have we reached the palace?
Not yet. We still have some time to reach the palace. But the palace can be seen from far away. I'll tell you, okay? Pari,
Yes.
the palace is very big.
It's very big.
Yes, it is. In the palace, there are many rooms.
Do you mean 10 or 20?
50.
50!
Yes. And those rooms. I mean, there's a buggy to take you from one room to the other.
Buggy?
Yeah, yes. So you can roam on that buggy as much as you want. You can go anywhere you want to any room. But from all the rooms, one room belongs to Grandpa. And Pari, he's not feeling well. He has to be careful about his health, okay?
Fred, what do you want to really say?
I'll tell you. That day, Grandpa fell at the hotel, right? Since then, his health has deteriorated. Look, even that day he had come to you without telling anyone. And if something had happened to him and if he had got hurt, then what would I have done?
Do you like Grandpa a lot?
Yes.
I will not enter to his room and I will not trouble him. Once he gets well, then I will come again to meet him, okay?
Hey, listen. Can you show me which toys do you have, please? Pikachu, I'm asking something. Show me your toys, please.
Take this.
I don't want this. I mean, do you have any such toy?
What do you mean?
I mean, like a kitchen set and Barbie doll. Even snake and ladder will do.
Snake? Who plays with a snake?
I'm not talking about a real snake. A fake snake, just a photo. You don't know snake and ladder? There is a small cardboard and then there are small squares. Let it be. You horse. Do you have a horse? I mean, the one to play with?
Yes, I am a horse.
What?
When mom gets angry on me, then she says that you have become like a horse, yet you cannot wash.
Eee, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about a fake horse.
A snake in the photo, a horse to play with. What is all this? I am confused. And I have not even seen this. But do you need this? There are dragons, giants, firefighters, and soldiers in it.
No.
Pikachu? What are you doing in this room?
Mom, Aunt Mithila only brought me here. She need toys, horse, snake.
I'm talking about snakes and ladders, dear.
Is it?
I was asking Pikachu what all toys does he have.
He has. That one. The one which he has on his eyes. That one. Mithila, why do you need toys at this age? Pikachu, baby, go to your room, okay? Go. Good boy. Why do you need it?
Sister, Pari will be coming.
What? So should it had been a surprise for me? When would you have told me? You know that dad is not feeling well.
Oh no, sister. Yash might have planned something. He will not bring Pari in front of dad all of a sudden.
Of course, Mithila. I know it. Huh? I'm more stressed being the senior lady of this house, okay? Get it, Mithila? I know. Yash will never let Pari come in front of father. Instead, I want Papa to see Pari. One lie. And then another lie to hide that lie. And then a third lie to hide that lie. There should be a mountain of lies. And then there will be Neha and my dear Yash on top of that. They will come crashing down and fall on their face. Wow. It will be so much fun.
What is it, sister? Did you say something?
Yes. Mithila, I feel that Pari cannot meet Papa. So what? You can meet Pari. You can talk with her, so you can play with her.
Right. Sister, you know that I like small kids very much.
Of course, I know that you like small kids very much. Like their own kid. You can fulfill your wish. You will have fun.
The stone the heart calls, listen to the tune of love. Ooh,
Don't worry.
listen to the tune of love.
Okay, relax. Grandfather?
Eh? Both of you are here.
How are you, grandfather?
You want to know the truth? I'm not fine.
Why?
Ever since you've left, he has been ordering me. He shouts at me. He has not let me step out of the house. He is doing whatever he wishes. Daughter-in-law, threaten him. Tell him not to behave with grandfather like that. Tell him to let me do what I want. I mean, I don't think you can ever do it. No. You are very simple. No one should suffer due to you. You don't like to shout, get angry, or fight with anyone. Tell me one thing. If you feel like talking with love to someone, then you do it, right? Your behavior can be seen on your face. But listen to one more thing. Being so simple won't work. Small kids also speak so bluntly. Look at our Pari. Look how smart and active she is. Sweet too. But tell me one thing. As to why did you not bring Pari along? I had told her to come to the palace once she gets leave.
Grandfather, that,
Papa, her family might have not left her. And Neha would not be able to bring anyone's kid like that. I mean, everyone is not free-minded like us.
You want to say careless, right?
Huh?
Careless, right?
Yeah. Careless. Right.
Neha, give me some water to drink.
Neha, wait. Where is Pari?
Sameer is with Pari.
Oh my goodness. So we don't have to worry. Hmm?
If Pari comes in front of grandfather, then it will be a big problem.
Yay, yay, yay.
What yay? You sit down first. Please sit down.
No.
What no? Sit down fast, please. Yes, very good. Yes. You look ahead.
Boss uncle,
Yes.
why is this palace on the mountain?
My dear, not just this palace, but this whole village is on a mountain. Lonavla, Khandala. This is a hill station.
Boss uncle, I'm on a hill station.
Then what? This is a hill station.
Wow. Boss uncle,
Yes.
does water fall daily from the fountain which is there outside?
Yes, it falls daily.
Even after when water is finished?
Yes, this is a palace. The water never dries out here.
How come water dries out everywhere in our building too? And we store water in a big container if the water doesn't come.
Very nice.
Boss uncle,
Yes.
why are all of the light on in this palace? Mom says that we should not waste electricity.
Ma'am, whatever your mom says is right. Your mother is elder and she tells you good things, right? In this house, no one listens to elders. They do as per their wish. And that's why the lights remain on sometimes.
How can that happen? Is there no one elder here to see it? You are there, Fred is there, Grandpa is there.
Wow, I'm thankful as you call me a senior. Thank you so much. I will now tell them to keep the lights closed.
To whom?
That who is that? I will tell a person named Uncle Satyavan.
Boss uncle, you know nothing, you're just confused. If Mom and Fred were there, then they would have answered my questions properly.
Wow, your mother and friend.
Boss uncle, how many rooms are there in the palace?
Oh my, her questions don't end. I don't know how many rooms are there. I need to tell Yash and Neha. She's making me speechless. I'm done with it.
Neha, come here, give me a hand. We will go for a round. Yash never lets me get out of the room. He keeps me locked here.
Grandfather, where are you going?
We will just go for a walk, man, and
No,
come back.
there's no need for that. I mean, instead of that, what I'm trying to say is that you tell Neha what you want to eat. She'll prepare it right now, isn't it?
What's the need? Shall I make her work right after she came here? It's better she will go for a walk. Neha, I'm telling you, there is a happy environment in the palace once you come. Let's go for a walk, I'll tell you.
Hey, wait, grandfather. I got a call. I'll talk for a while, then you go, okay?
Are you both done meeting grandfather?
We're still meeting him.
What is going on? How much more time?
I'm coming.
Did you see what he's doing? He's always on the phone.
Yes,
Whose call is it?
that it was Sameer. He had some important work. I'll meet him and come fast. You guys wait here.
Hey, one moment. Call him here. Who does he think he is? A king? Shall I make her work right after she came here?
Fine. You wait here. I'll call him.
If that's the case, then you won't go from here. Wait here.
Uh,
Neha? I will check out on Pikachu and come. Don't worry.
yes.
Papa, I'll be back.
Hey, there is no need for you to come back in a hurry. My daughter-in-law is here to take care of me. Go,
That's
go, go.
wonderful. I'll be right back.
It's nothing. Her friends might be there. She just take Pichku's name for no reason.
Pari! Pari! Where did she go? She was right here just now. Pari! Pari! Now where did she go in such a big palace? Pari! Hey, Pari! 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 Where did she go? Pari!
Wow. She's playing hide and seek. Great. Now I will make a very nice move. An opportunity has come my way. I should make use of it fast. Pari? Uncle Boss is here. To get hold of you, you go and hide this side.
That side?
Yes. Then your boss uncle would not be able to catch you.
He cannot.
No. Go fast. Good girl. That's great. Now Pari will surely meet her grandpa.
Look, I have collected the records of old songs. Look here, leader. The songs of Naushad were so good. Also Mr. Rafi, wow. Chitralekha, all of them were very good. Look at this. I'm telling you that this was a hit song. With Rafi, it was a nice duet. Bhabhi, my kite is flying away, it's flying away, my kite is flying away, it flew away. Traveling in the clouds with the help of its strong,
The whole world cried looking at this.
My kite is flying away, it's flying away. Neha, when you were not here, then I was feeling very stressed here. The thing is that we get used to a person. And this age, I'm more used to that. In this age, you need people to talk to. We need people to free our mind to. If not, then it'll need someone to be with us at least. That is our wealth, right? Isn't it? Now that you are here, I have become free. If Pari had come with you, then it would have been nice.
No, there's no need for that. I mean, instead of that, what I'm trying to say is that you tell Neha what you want to eat.
One moment. Only me and my daughter-in-law will go out.
Is it? I didn't know that you're on her side now.
No, the thing is, I cannot be on the side of my grandson who behaves like my grandfather, right?
Chill, relax.
I'm telling you, Neha, all the music records that I have with me now, I used to go and buy it for the first day itself. Because I like music due to...
Fred, boss uncle is behind me. Your palace is so big. I would have got lost.
Pari? Pari? Oh.
I should not have come here, right? Sorry, mother.
Grandfather, actually,
Sit here.
go dear. You go and play with boss uncle, okay? Go.
Why did you not tell me? Why did you hide from me? You thought I will not know? Or you wanted to surprise me?
We were going to tell you about her.
Neha,
You surprised me.
surprised on you, and I'm proud of you too. You have really made this family very proud today. Today our neighbor's kid called you a mother. I heard that. This means that you might have loved her like a mother. She didn't let her even feel the absence of her parents. And this is very difficult to do. It's not wrong.